Hello bachcho, let's read the question. The question says here, anaerobic respiration produces gas amount of energy as compared to aerobic respiration that's produced during anaerobic respiration is not broken down completely into carbon dioxide and water. So the given question is asking about aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. So aerobic respiration produced more ATP. Aerobic respiration. Respiration. Aerobic respiration. This aerobic respiration produced more ATP, than the anaerobic respiration. Than aerobic respiration. And this is due to the complete oxidation of the glucose to the carbon dioxide and water. So in the aerobic respiration, there will be complete oxidation of glucose to carbon dioxide and water. And in this part, oxygen act as a terminal electron acceptor. So in the aerobic respiration, oxygen is act as a terminal electron acceptor in the electron transport chain system, that is ETC, electron transport chain, and it gets reduced to water, and this get reduced to water. And most of the ATPs are produced by the oxidative phosphorylation. So in the whole process, or in the aerobic respiration, the most of the ATP, that is in the, as we know, in the aerobic respiration there are 38 number of ATP are produced here, but in the oxidative phosphorylation more ATP are produced in the electron transport chain system. So aerobic respiration produced more amount of energy. This one is the more or higher or larger as compared to the aerobic respiration. Sorry, this is the anaerobic respiration, that means it is lesser. Aerobic respiration produce less amount of energy as compared to the aerobic respiration, because gas is produced during the aerobic respiration is not broken down, is not broken down. That means glucose is not completely broken down in this part, in the anaerobic respiration. In anaerobic respiration, glucose is not completely broken down, so less energy is released during the aerobic respiration in the anaerobic respiration. So for that, there is a build up of lactic acid. Lactic acid in the muscles during vigorous exercise. During vigorous exercise, there will be more number of lactic acid are built up, and the lactic acid, this is needed to be oxidized to carbon dioxide and water, and this lactic acid are needed to be completely reduced, or this is completely oxidized to form carbon dioxide and water, that is water. So for that, in the anaerobic respiration, because the produced during the anaerobic respiration is not broken down, that means lactic acid is not completely broken down into the carbon dioxide and water. So what is that correct answer here? First one is lesser and lactic acid, then lesser and citric acid, then higher and lactic acid, then higher. So this one is the higher, that is larger. So C and D are wrong here, but this contain the citric acid, this is wrong here. So correct answer is option number A, lesser and lactic acid. I hope you understood it. Best of luck.